What's up, Playboys? Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. But yeah, man, let's get into the video. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a little quick install, quick LED install on the SI, because like the SI bulbs that I have right now are not what I thought they was going to be. They're not bright at all, and I can barely see when I'm driving at night. So yeah, man, hopefully this is a good upgrade. Shout out to the company who got me these for free. I'm gonna leave the link down below. Make sure you guys go cop from them. Good company, seems very reputable. So let's see how good the product is. But before we do an install, we definitely got these bows, man. We gotta see what these things talking about. You feel me? We gotta see what them things look like. Okay, look kind of nice. Oh snap! All right. I'm liking this so far. I don't know what this is. I wonder if we got instructions. Nope, no instructions. All right, so let's see. I mean, we got the manual. Oh wait, there's the. Wait, is that instructions? No, that's warranty. Doesn't really tell me anything about what this is. But that's not what we came to look at. I came to look at these bad boys right here. Ooh, these things clean, boy, and they're full metal. I don't know if it's aluminum. Let's see, what type of metal is this? Yep, it's aluminum. So, yep, it's pretty better than what I have. I think the one I have in my car is like, I don't know, it doesn't feel very strong. But we're gonna compare these two. So, yeah, man, as you guys can see, these are pretty nice. Looks really icy. Like, this is real nice. I like these a lot. To remove the LED bulbs that I have in my car already, it's literally like a pain in the butt to get into, because there's one like right here. If the camera can focus and show you guys, there's one right here, and then the other one, it's behind the battery, which is right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. The camera will focus on it right there, right where you see that yellow piece. That's where the bulb is. And for me to reach that, it's gonna require some small hands, and these hands ain't small. So yeah, man, let's try to get these out. Literally, to take them out, you just gotta counterclockwise, or I think it's counterclockwise or it's clockwise. You can try either way, and you could you can really feel the bulb just pop loose, and you just pull it out, and that's really it. All right, so let's try this one out right here. This is the easiest one, so I'm just gonna unconnect it. You guys can see how bigger this is compared to the new ones that I'm getting, well, installing. So yeah, man, let's try to get this one out. Don't really know how I'm gonna do that. First, I'm gonna take out all this prior stupid junk that's in here. Alright, got one piece of the crappy LED bulb out. By the way, these are not stock LED bulbs, these are aftermarket. Just some really cheap aftermarket though. Hopefully I can twist this out with my hand. Oh my gosh. How the heck am I supposed to get that?
3 hours later.
So after many attempts, I finally got this old LED out. As guys can see, you can see how many wires it had compared to this, which is literally just one. This had 1, 2, 3 wires connected to it just for it to work. And it just makes your engine bay look retarded. Plus it's blue. I mean, yeah, it matches this. Well, technically it does not match this blue, but yeah, man, finally get that piece of crap out. Now it's time to install this bad boy right here. So to install the new ones is literally the reverse of what you did to take this one out. You stick your small hand, big hand, whatever hand you got inside here, and then you just screw it back in, and that's really it. Alright guys, so I got one light in. You guys can see the difference. This one still has the old LED in, and as you guys can see, it's not very bright. If I could put some light on that, or darkness, I don't know. It's not very bright. Maybe I'll put the ISO down, you guys could probably see it better. Alright, so like I was saying, you can barely see it. It's not even bright compared to this one over here, which is like booming. You can see this like bright as hell, but this one is just very dull, and you can barely see it at all, like literally nothing. Alright guys, so after 5 years I finally got the LED bulbs in. The passenger side is probably like the hardest one to get in, because you literally have no space. Like you have this much of space just to like play with, and just look at that, like you can't do nothing in there. And the driver's side, to get that one in, you actually have to remove the battery, or you can just remove the battery tray, or whatever this piece is called, and then you can shift the battery around and be able to get inside there. And literally the LED bulb is somewhere down there. I don't know why Honda made it so hard just to change some LED bulbs. Like, what we're supposed to stick where HIDs are alive, I don't know, but oh my gosh, this is probably like the most annoying / easiest install you could ever do. It takes so long and it's so damn annoying. Alright you guys, so here how the LEDs look right now. Have bumped down the ISO so you guys can see it a little better. And as you guys can see, they're pretty bright. You can even see it on my leg. Like, yeah, it's pretty bright. It's way brighter than stock, and definitely way brighter than the ones I had before. So I definitely recommend this product. This is 3 thumbs up at 3 thumbs. Boy, if you don't get... Another good thing about these LEDs is that they don't throw no codes, so you don't have no sitting eye right there. So yeah, man, definitely go get this product. It's pretty good. Alright guys, so this is where I'm gonna end off the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys liked the LED bulbs. They're definitely a big upgrade over stock or the old trash ones I had in before. If you guys are looking to upgrade your LED bulbs, I'm gonna leave the link down below, or even your stock bulbs, wherever you have in your car right now. If you're looking to upgrade, I'm gonna leave the link down below for you guys to go purchase this amazing freaking company LED bulbs, boy, because them things look good, I'm not gonna lie to you. And yeah, man, go support them. They're a new company, so they're not really that big yet, and they only $40. You can't really beat that. These other bulbs, like these other brand bulbs, are like so expensive now, like Oxbeam, Last Fit, other ones that I can't really think of right now. Those bulbs get expensive. So yeah, man, if you guys really want some cheap bulbs for $40, definitely go click that link down below and go get yourself a set. I'm gonna do a little night demonstration to show you guys how they look at night. But until then, your boy's out. Peace.